Greetings everyone, Joyce here from Disabled Nomads. Welcome to Season 4. In this episode, we visit Long Beach 1,000 Trails in Seaview, Washington. As soon as we get settled into a site, we like to check the internet. We use Nomad Internet with AT&T from a Netgear Nighthawk hotspot. This is the speed test results without using an external antenna. Nice! Game on, my friends! Today is June 20th, first day of summer. Tomorrow's our 4-year anniversary of going full-time RV. And I know Don's hair looks weird.
Yeah, don't look at my hair.
He's been wearing an Oculus, so the strap goes out.
There's a center strap on the Oculus, and I've been wearing the Oculus so much it's
flattened his hair.
out.
So he's got like a reverse mohawk.
That's what happens when it rains a lot. You go inside and play a lot.
First day we had nice in such a long time. But we got the scooter out. Yay! We got a suspension seat post for it. And oh, see, that's how soft the ground is?
Yeah. Gotta stay on the road with this.
Yeah. So he's gonna go to the go the trash.
Go to the trash can.
Have fun.
Thank you. I'll have fun storming the castle.
Have fun storming the castle.
I'm back.
Have fun?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Kind of nice. The dog did too, but he wanted to go in the basket again.
Yeah, he's out of shape, man. It's been so long.
So we got to put the front basket on and the dog carrier on it so that he can got a place to be when he gets tired.
Okay, we have a problem with this RV. The cab over, the overhang, was bouncing on our way down here to Long Beach, and we're gonna have to get another rig. We're just gonna have to go into debt. We were trying so hard not to go into debt, but we're gonna have to. There's no way that we can fix this ourselves, and there's no point in paying someone to fix it, because I don't like the inside of the rig anyway. It's got carpeting and it's dark and ugly, and it's got a step-in shower, which doesn't work for us. So we are going to try and shore that up somehow so we can at least drive it somewhere and then go RV hunting and keep our fingers crossed that someone will be able to finance us. That's our biggest hurdle. Our credit is good. It's the income to debt ratio that I'm worried about. So we'll see how things progress. I decided to take my scooter on a little adventure along the Discovery Trail. I wanted to see if I could make it to the beach and back. The route that I took was this, what you see in the map, and it was 1.6 miles there and 1.6 miles back. Scooter made it with no problems. Wow, I made it to the public area. This is awesome, and I still have full batteries. Oh, I made it. Oops, a little bit of sand there. I made it, guys. Oh my god, I can't wait to tell Dawn. Hopefully I'm still recording. I want to put my feet in that water so bad. Mary, thank you so much. You don't know how much joy this is bringing me, almost to tears. I should be able to walk to the water. Let's see how compact this is or not. Okay, so far so good. Well, I made it to the end of the line. I don't think I can walk that far and back again. It's because I'm on kind of squishy ground right now. I might have to push the scooter back up the hill. I don't know. I guess I could try and walk it and turn it off. Scooter off. Save battery. No, I gotta go kind of that way, I think. Let's see how this does. Nope, ain't happening. Okay. I'm gonna have to go back. Oh, snap. Sand. I don't know if the mic's on or not, but we're on our way to the beach to go watch fireworks for the 4th of July. This is Willows Road. No sidewalks and not much of a shoulder, so you gotta be real careful over here. We're on our way to go see fireworks. We decided to go all the way to the boardwalk.
Yes, I decided.
So Don wanted to stop here at this gas station and get some munchies for the night.
Yeah,
Snackages.
Also got a couple cans of chili for later.
And chili for later, because we ran out of food. We have to go shopping again.
Running low, gotta do some shopping.
Yep. Okay, see you in a bit.
Take a movie and then you can take your still out.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, look at the roof. Oh, darn. I need to redo it.
Well, we've made it this far. We're almost to the boardwalk. We're on Sid Snyder Road now. I just hope we can make it back.
Huh? You ready to see fireworks?
You ready to see fireworks, Squeedle?
Ready? Yeah.
Are we going to see fireworks tonight?
4th of July.
Yeah. Sun will be setting hopefully soon. Most of the fireworks are going to be in that direction.
City fireworks.
Yes, city fireworks. Oh, sorry.
And then the personal fireworks are going to be...
I don't know if I'm
That's the city.
capturing both of us or not. I hope so.
I hope so. That's the city fireworks. And then over that way is the... over that way is going to be all the personal fireworks.
Personal stuff, individuals. And they're flying kites and having fun down there.
Get a shot of the boardwalk there. That's kind of pretty cool, actually.
Yeah, the boardwalk is very cool. It's very scooter friendly.
That's Long Beach over there where that
American flag
flying.
is way back there.
That's the main entrance to the beach from Long Beach.
Yeah.
Look at those apartments. How would you like to live there?
Is that an apartment or a hotel?
Over there. No, those are apartments.
Those are apartments? Oh yeah, I bet that's really expensive.
Yeah, I bet so. Now that building over there is a hotel. It's got a restaurant in it.
What's nice about the boardwalk right here is there's the restrooms right there.
Yep.
So that's good. And there's the fire and rescue guys standing by up on top of the hill there.
Yeah, and they got another truck over there.
Let's see if I can zoom in on them.
A truck at both ends.
Yep, because they're ready for the morons.
Have to load their hands off. Oh,
or whatever. Yeah, there they are. So yeah, we're excited. I've always seen this only on YouTube, and this time we get to see it in person, so it's going to be kind of cool.
Still out there. There he is again.
I don't know if this camera's going to pick it up, but there is a whale breaching out there, big time.
Wow.
Awesome.
They get a good view.
Hey, somebody's watching. I don't know who. Hello, coming to you live from Long Beach, Washington.
Who's watching, I wonder?
I don't know. I can't see the chat with the camera this way.
Hello.
Happy 4th of July. Whoa, big one right there. There's the sun setting.
See how much color came out all the way out here.
Yeah, pretty, huh?
Somebody's still flying a kite out there.
Oh yeah, why not?
Still see it against the sky, I guess they could do it.
That's interesting. It's like, where do you look first, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, I'll go live again once it gets like really dark.
Yeah.
Gotta save that. Oh, hi Tim! It's Tim!
Oh, hi Tim.
Hi guys, happy 4th of July!
Happy 4th.
Thanks for stopping by.
There's that helicopter being
Not quite dark enough yet, but we're getting there. Here's the sunset. We got a helicopter flying around, I don't know why. Alright, I'm gonna come back when it gets a little dark. See how big those are? People don't buy those ones.
Should be upside down.
No. I left one camera rolling while we packed up. The crowd made Dawn anxious. We were freezing and it was really loud.
Yeah, I'm going to pack up close.
It was so cold and noisy that we had to leave. I was freezing and I had to go to the bathroom. We finally made it to McDonald's. And there are outlets here. I was hoping to plug in, but Don's like, no, don't plug in. I just hope we make it back to the park. Well, we made it back to camp with just enough battery to spare. And that's all we have for this episode. Our time at Long Beach has ended, and so we head for our next destination. Stay tuned for an ADA review of this park. Join us next time when we visit 𝙀𝙃𝙄𝙎 and see what we can do about getting another rig. And remember, if we can go there, so can you. Bye for now. What are you doing? What? Kitty is going to come out here and get you. He wants my bowl.